The unsettling night at a remote Alaskan residence began with strange noises echoing through the wilderness, setting a chilling tone. As the family huddled together, the unease grew with each mysterious movement outside their home. Suddenly, the discovery of a fire in their crawl space sent adrenaline surging through their veins. With quick thinking and a dash for safety, they escaped the flames, but questions lingered in the cold Alaskan air. What caused the fire, and what were those eerie movements? The haunting mystery remains unsolved, leaving behind a story of fear and survival in the desolate, shadowy landscape of Alaska.